Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is ToonKeeper. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this platform. So to get started, ToonKeeper Wallet is a popular non-custodian wallet built for Ton blockchain, offering a clean, user-friendly interface for sending, receiving, and managing Ton and tokens. It supports in-app staking, swapping, and even browsing dApp, making it ideal for users fully invested in the Ton ecosystem with ToonKeeper Pro. You also get advanced features like multi-account management and multi-sig, which are great tools for teams or power users. However, because it's non-custodian, you are fully responsible for your seed phrase. If lost, your funds are unrecoverable. Some users have also reported occasional bugs, especially in the browser extension. And since it's ToonKeeper only, it won't suit for you if you are looking for a multi-chain wallet. So if you are focused on the Ton wallet and want speed, control, and privacy, ToonKeeper is a solid pick for 2025. Just make sure to back up your key phrase safely. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform. And that's it.